Sibuyile futhi this is Jabu Mahlangu and discussion. What's your take Orlando Pirates right now? Basase ku race or Kabuyelo ibuyela ngale and ungakhohlwa it's a new edition ye Betway a Premiership nomkotla and lezi Sundowns phela ziuchayela umkotla.
For me Jabu, parents are the biggest disappointment because we they brought the excitement Makali season, and not only to Amapagania but to every South African Ochandipol.
Yeah,
everyone is tired of his Sundowns. Not that we hate what Sundowns are doing. We all love what Sundowns are doing, but we wanted the competition.
I go to Mdladla, maybe some of the things is but distepile in their camp. Indaba lezi, especially indaba ka Saling.
Yeah.
Because it's a big talking point. Where is Saling? Mkhumbuza mina but where uphatko athi where is Jabu? Sidlala neSundowns. Athi Jabu, wherever you are.
Yeah.
Please come back home. Uyasikawatha bro kids. My friend.
Ucabanga ukuthi yiyo le wena.
Uma uJabu ukhule bengasukudlala.